birthday, Kim! Enjoy your day. Inani lang mi kay para bibo Kim ha. Happy birthday. Love you.
Love you.
Happy
birthday,
Kim!
Boy!
Yay! Happy birthday, Kim!
Happy birthday! Happy
Love
birthday!
you.
Love you!
Enjoy your
Love
day.
you!
Birthday.
Happy
Laban,
birthday.
Laban New Zealand.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tito King.
Kiss Tito Kim. Kiss. Kiss Tito Kim.
Blow your candle.
Smile.
Silly face.
Yo, Digard, happy birthday. More blessings to come and good health always para makakumbati taga-adlaw. And hopefully makatabok-tapok ta soon kung makauli ka. We are blessed to have you, Digard. We love you.
Love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Kimboy.
Happy birthday, Darbs!
Ingat dia.
Love you, bro. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Kimi.
Happy birthday, Kim. Enjoy your
Happy birthday, Tito.
Tito
Kim.
King. Enjoy
soon.
you soon.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
Bye-bye.
Amping dia permiga. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Kiss Tito.
Happy birthday, Kuya. I'm so happy na naka-find na ka og someone who make birthday videos for you. So, I hope na since you're nearing your 30s, hinahinay na nimo kaka-achieve imong goals and imong dreams. So, best believe, we are all here cheering for you. Until next time, see ya.
Ikaw na, Darb, happy birthday! Ikaw saan?
Happy birthday!
Punta, Darb. Ako na po sa mga magamping kada kanunay. O gimo na ni Darbok. Para kang Ma'am Aurel. Ayo da, Darb. Kita na tapon.
Bye!
Yo, Digardi, happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life and unta tanan ng mga pangandoy kay matuman. So amping dia, brother, and peace and love.
At sa bawat minuto, ako'y... Digardi. Happy birthday, Digardi. Happy birthday, Digardi. Digardi, happy birthday. Ingat ka dia always. Sabay rata puhot pag wali di mo. Ayo diha. Be healthy, Digardi. Pocket is the key. Yes, man. Happy birthday, Digardi. I love you so much. I miss you, man.
Hi Brad, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and magbinutan ka diya Brad, pag-amping o magbago na ta. O see you soon Brad. I miss you.
Brother! Kumusta na? Brother Kim, happy birthday, bro. I hope you're doing well din ha sa NZ. We just want you to know, bro, na we are very proud of you sa imong mga accomplishments din ha sa NZ. And bro, andam-andam na din na, bro. Okay, Christmas na. No? Be strong, be safe. Regards me sa tanan akab din na, bro. Agis pa rin. Ana word, bro. Amping ka kanina, bro. God bless. Bye-bye.
Hey Andre, happy birthday. I wish nothing but the best for you this year. More and more blessings. And I also wish maminyo na ka. Kay tigwang na ka. Charis. Yeah. Only the best. Thank you sa friendship and ambing dia per me and ay pagsigig minal dito kang awi.
See you soon!
Chong, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Frey. Ingat permide. Pandangin na ang imong pagka balo na ka.
Udoy, may adlaw dia doy. Happy birthday dia. Di na kay ko dagan og ingon kay basin masipyat ta dagan moagi para banin sa mong uya baya ka makakita. So may adlaw dia. Happy birthday and kita ra ta pohon.
Hi Doy, happy birthday.
Bro, happy birthday dia. Amping ka. Sabay ra tapon.
Thank you, Tita Andre.
No, you say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Andre.
No. Andre! Clap hands, Philo! Clap hands! Yay! Hindi mo wala yung happy birthday, Andre!
Happy birthday, Andre.
Happy birthday, Andre!
Hey, happy birthday, Andre. Wish you all the best. Enjoy.
Hi Kuya Andre! Happy birthday! Thank you for coming into my ate's life. Take care always and God bless you.
Hi bro, happy birthday. Oh, God bless you. Amping dia perme. Bye-bye.
Hi Andre! Happy birthday!
Hi, happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Andre ni Awi. Ingat sa New Zealand.
Happy birthday, Andre! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andre. Happy birthday to you. Yay, finally, birthday na jud nimo. Hi, my baby, my palautot baby. Happy birthday, my one and only love, my Andre. Before mag-serious lang ko gamay. So, nakoy kudingo here. I wrote something for you para maingon ako akong dapat maingon. Pangitan ako eh. Okay, time check. Nagana ako story eh. Okay. I thank the Lord for blessing me with a partner who is spiritually grounded, who seeks Him first in all things, and who leads with faith and love. I am truly blessed to have you in my life. Thank you for coming into my life and for pursuing me. Thank you for showing me the love that I deserve. I deeply appreciate all the time and effort you've put into our relationship. Bal, I wish you nothing but the best in life, and I pray that you reach all your dreams and plans. I will always be here for you through thick and thin, through happiness and tears. I will love you no matter what. I'm so excited. Over 28 days more. And I can't wait to make more memories with you. We may not be there to celebrate your day, but please be happy and enjoy it. Ingon ka kaganina is just a birthday. So please, dili ko ganahan na nag-ingon ka ato. No, it's not just a birthday, or it's not just an ordinary day. But it's your special day. So we will celebrate it soon. But for now, I hope you like my little surprise. I hope in this simple things, or in this simple way, I was able to make you happy. I love you. I love you, my baby. See you soon. Enjoy your day. Happy ka. I hope mag-cry ka. Joke. Bye. Kaya basta makitaan ako ni mo dire. Here. This is you. Look at that. Wait. This is you sleeping. nag-video na lang ko diretso pag abot sa balay. Pero, haggard gapon ko. Happy birthday again, my baby. See you soon. 28 days more to go. Bye.